How to add templates on video on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open it in your phone and we are going to know different options will appear here. We have to select option that how to add templates on my video. You can see there are different options like home, friends, plus mark, inbox and the profile. Firstly, you have to click on this plus mark. After clicking on this plus mark, this type of screen will appear here. Before moving to the templates, you have to select here template option. Like this template option will appear here, and you can see here use any of the template. Different templates will appear here. Select any of the template, like I have select this upload photos. My gallery will appear here. In this way I will select any of the photos and add it to my templates. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.